Hello everyone. So today we will create an angry bird on Tinkercad. So for it, let's see our first step. So getting started with Tinkercad, first we are going to make a cool 3D angry bird on website called Tinkercad. So we have to open the Google Chrome on your computer and type Tinkercad in search bar. We have to click on the first link that appears on Tinkercad. So after clicking on link, this is how your page will appear. So now let's see the next step. This is where we will create our 3D Angry Bird. So once the Tinkercad page opens, we look for the button that says create 3D design and click on it. So you can see over here designs. So from here you can see there is an option of 3D design. We have to just click on it. So after clicking on it, let's move to our next step. So you will see a big grid area. This is your workspace where you will build your Angry Bird. So this is our work plane when we will make our Angry Bird. So let's starting with the body. In Tinkercad, find a shape called half sphere and drag it to the middle of your workspace. So on the right side of your screen, you can see in the fifth row, the first option is of half sphere. We have to drag it and we have to place it at our work plane. So let's see the another step like this, adding legs. So click on the creature and character and find chick fit, drag to fit to the bottom of your half sphere. So you can see on the right side of your screen there are basic shapes and you can see here we have to click and the third option is of creatures and characters. So from it you will get your legs for your angry bird. You have to place it and you have to just rotate it a little and same to the another leg like this, and you can see the legs for our angry birds are ready over here. So now let's see the another step. So after adding legs, you have to create the head. So for it, grab an X shape and place it on the top body for the head. So from here you can see in the third row, third option, you will get an egg. You have to just place it over the half sphere like this. So you can see we have placed it like this for our angry bird. Now let's move to another step. So now our next step will be adding eyes. So we will go on characters. Here you can see there are eyes. We have to select the eyes and just place it on the egg. And now we have to rotate the eye and we have to give it a perfect position. So here we will rotate our eye of the angry bird, something like this. So we will take a eye over here and we will rotate it like this and we have to place it. Select it and place it like this. Same to another eye. You have to drag it and rotate it and just place it like this. So you can see our both eyes are ready over here like this. So let's move to the another step. So our another step is to make our angry bird funny. So we will find shades in the shapes and place them over the eyes. So let's move to our next step. You can see here there are shades. We will place it above the eye like this. You can see I have placed it. You have to decrease its size a little like this. Now let's move to another step. So we will add a beak to our Angry Bird. So let's find the beak in characters and creatures. So you can see here is a beak. You have to place it in middle. Now we have to customize our bird. If you want to change the color of any part, we can choose new color from the menu. Like I want to change the color of my beak. So I will take red over here. And even you want to change the color of your body, so you can change it. Take a moment and look your creation and make the final adjustments. So you can see our funny angry bird is ready over here. Thank you.